that you have your camera with you, dear. I have another idea for a pic. Do you have time to take another picture for me? I'll give you some extra pocket money for your trouble. That's very kind of you, dear. Thank you. Now, what kind of picture would I like? How about a picture of that tall building that looks a bit like a futuristic traffic cone? I think it's a lab of some kind. Did you forget what I asked for, dear? Not to worry. What I'm after is that's wonderful, dear. Thank you. Here's a little something as promised. Don't spend it all at once. I'll have a think on some more ideas for pictures. Why don't you stop by later if you can?
If you have a minute, I've got a new mission for you. After Kang decided to blow up my helicarrier to show us what a big deal he is, the S.H.I.E.L.D. agents on board were scattered to the wind. Most of the agents have returned safely, but we still have a few rookies who've yet to report in. Your mission is to head up the search party for these rookies. How about it? All right. I've transferred the rookies' IDs to your radar. That should help you narrow down their positions. Given the current situation with Chronopolis, it's highly likely the rookies will have run into trouble. Be prepared for anything.
Turns out the Cave of Dragons did have an actual dragon inside. Somebody owes me a blue stud.
Now I'll show you what I can really do.
You guys can threaten me all you want. I'll never divulge S.H.I.E.L.D. secrets. Never! Thank goodness you're here. I was just about to sing like a bird. Now go get him! Nice going. True, the only S.H.I.E.L.D. secret I know is the code to the stationery cupboard, but I was willing to defend it to the bitter end. Now back to Director Fury.
Looked like something big was going to...
Stay back! I've come too far to get my uniform dirty in some stupid fight. Oh, a hero! Right on time! Thanks. I really only joined S.H.I.E.L.D. for the cool uniform. Who knew there'd be actual danger involved? Anyway, back to Director Fury.
You guys don't scare me. I have mastered the deadly martial art of the cowering goat. Behold, the intense shockwaves emitted from my cowering are shaking you to your very core. Did you see that? I'm totally onto something with this new fighting style. I'd better go tell Director Fury all about it.
Sirs/madams, if you could just step back and stop making those scary faces at me, I'm sure we can reach a peaceful resolution. Oh man, training did not prepare me for this. Don't hurt me. Oh, you saved me. Thanks. Now I can report back to Director Fury.
Driving the Sphinx through town.
Just want to go home already.
Oh, I can't feel my face.
Nice work. That's all the rookies accounted for. Hope they didn't give you too much trouble. They may not be our most capable agents yet, but everybody's got to start somewhere. And now that's taken care of, I'm officially out of S.H.I.E.L.D. business. At least until this Chronopolis thing gets resolved. In the meantime, if you need any help out in the field, give me a call.
In all of my travels, I have never seen anything like this.
Hey,
I'm picking up some kind of robotic life form flying around Manhattan. Careful if you get near it.
I just want to go home already.
I've been with you since the beginning, absorbing your power so I might use them against you.
Well, you can rely on the Avengers to host a great victory rap party.
Claw must be around somewhere, along with that vibranium.
Eat up, Adaptoid, or you won't grow up big and strong.
Enough backstory. I am Super-Adaptoid, a one-man team of Avengers and AIM's ultimate creation. I have calculated the precise location within Chronopolis that meets my combat specifications. Come, follow me to your end. You can't catch me. I'm the Iron Bread Man. How did you catch me? Not bad. It seems I've some further adapting to do. How did you catch me? Let's see how you fare back on the ground. Don't rest on your laurels. To the sky! Not bad. It seems I've some further adapting to do. To the ground. I'm not done yet. Now is the optimal time to strike. Allow me to take away your liberty.
Whilst it could be argued that Asgard's flowing magma is aesthetically pleasing, it is the most inconvenient.
Feel the power of an arc reactor. Or an arc reactor facsimile, at least.
Oh boy! We got ourselves a real...
What was that all about?
Adapt or perish.
I'm set!
You've out-adapted me.
Travels, I have never seen anything like this. Perhaps this will help me in my mission.
We're not...
Look like something big.
If you have your camera with you, dear, I have another idea for a picture. Do you have time to take another picture for me? I'll give you some extra pocket money for your trouble. That's very kind of you, dear. Thank you. Now, what kind of picture would I like? How about a picture of one of the tombs in ancient Egypt? I'm told one of them is guarded by 4 stone pharaohs. They'd make for an interesting picture, don't you think? Oh!
Here comes a question. That's the correct answer.
Maybe blocking out the sun is something we should reconsider.
Sorry, that's wrong. Can you answer this question? Well done. Hard luck. Maybe next time. I hope you've been paying attention because this one's a doozy. Right answer. Incorrect. Since you love questions so much, the correct answer. You've completed the quiz. Congratulations. Don't stop now. There is still more for
Not sure who's behind it this time, but there's more trouble on your doorstep. Go get him.
Okay, let's get started, shall we?
Did you forget what I asked for, dear? Not to worry. What I'm after, that's wonderful, dear. Thank you. Here's a little something as promised. Don't spend it all at once. I'll have a think on some more ideas for pictures. Why don't you stop?
Sorry to bother you, but yep, you guessed it. Some crime near you needs fighting.